Welcome to Unacademy Ascend YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Today I will be discussing MSQs and numerical answer type questions on numerical methods. MSQs and numerical answer type questions on numerical methods. I am going to start a revision course on engineering mathematics for ESE and GATE 2021. Batch starts from 2nd December, timing 6 am to 8 am. Another course, I will be starting practice course on engineering mathematics for GATE and ESE 2021. Course starts from December 2nd, timings 8:30 to 10:30 pm. Let us start. The iteration scheme xn plus 1 equal to xn by 2 plus a by xn square is known as the method of tangent. Yes, the iteration scheme is obtained by Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method is also known as method of tangents. It is known as bracketing method. No, it is false. It is not closed-ended method. Whether it is converges to A or converges to root A, we have to find out. Observe. The given iteration scheme is xn plus 1 equal to xn by 2 of 1 plus a by xn square now. Whenever you are applying Newton-Raphson iteration method, by using x naught we are going to find x1. With the help of x1 we are going to find x2. Whenever two successive values are same, we are going to stop the iteration process and we are going to select the root. That's why the logic is at the root, if you name alpha equal to xn equal to xn plus 1. That's why in the place of xn plus 1 and xn, I am going to substitute alpha by 2 of a by alpha square. In the place of xn and xn plus 1, I have substituted alpha. Now, alpha equal to alpha by 2 of LCM alpha square plus a. 2 alpha square into alpha, 2 alpha cube plus equal to alpha cube plus a alpha. Now, from this we can write 2 alpha cube minus alpha cube equal to alpha cube equal to a alpha. Now, alpha square equal to a. Therefore, alpha equal to root a. Therefore, the iteration scheme converges to root a. The iteration scheme converges to root a is the correct option. This is true, this is false. So correct answers are A and D. Option A and option D are found correct. Now, consider the iteration scheme xn plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 of xn square plus b by xn. Now, the iteration scheme can be used to complete the root of b or by taking b equal to 3, first approximation is x naught equal to 2, then first iteration value, like that we have to calculate. So first I am going to write iteration scheme. xn plus 1 equal to one by 2 of xn square plus b by xn now. Whenever you reach the root, at the root alpha equal to xn equal to xn plus 1. That's why in the place of xn plus 1 I am going to substitute alpha. 1 by 2 of alpha square plus b by alpha, 2 alpha into alpha, 2 alpha square equal to alpha square plus b. Finally alpha square equal to b, alpha equal to root b, alpha equal to root b. Therefore the iteration scheme converges to root b is correct answer. First option is correct. Next, we have to take b equal to 3 and x naught equal to 2. When b equal to 3 and x naught equal to 2, what is first iteration, what is second iteration? We have to examine. Now, use the iteration scheme. The iteration scheme is xn plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 of xn plus 1 equal to 1 by 2 of xn square plus b by xn. If you take x naught is 2, b is 3, x1 will be 1 by 2 of x naught square plus b by x naught. That can be written as x naught square, x naught value 2 square 4 plus b 3 by x naught 2, that is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is nothing but 1.75. Now x1 is 1.75. Now x2 equal to 1 by 2 of x1 square plus b by x1. 1 by 2 of 1.75 whole square plus b value 3 by x0 x1 is 1.75. By simplifying this we will get 1.73214. Now by verifying the options we will get x1 is 1.75, x1 is 1.75, so second option is true. x2 is, here in the options we have 1.7559. In calculation we got 1.7324. So 1.7324. So that is incorrect. Here this is false. This is also false. Only option A and B are found correct. Next, consider Sagar, you can attend complete course on engineering mathematics which I have completed recently. Now, consider the integral 0 to 1 4x minus 3x square dx, applying trapezoidal rule by taking 10 equal subintervals. Then the value of the integral is 1, the value of the integral is 0.995, the absolute error is 0.005, the absolute error is 0. So first we have to evaluate the given integral by taking 10 equal subintervals. Now ten equal subintervals, x value, y value, zero, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0. Now x value, y value. X is 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0. When x is 0, the value of y is 0. When x is 0.1, the value of y is 0.37. When x is 0.2, 0.68, 0.93, 1.12, 1.25, 1.32, 1.33, 1.28, 1.171. Now this is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9, y10. By trapezoidal rule, integral 0 to 1 f of x dx equal to h by 2 of y0 plus y10 plus 2 into remaining all y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9. Now simplifying this, h value 0.1 by 2 of y0 0, y10 1 plus 2 times of 0.37, 0.68, 0.93, 1.12, 1.25, 1.32, 1.33, 1.28, 1.17. By simplifying this, we get 0.0 995. So the value of integral is 0.995. So 0.995 is true. So the value is 1 is false. So first option is false, second option is true. Next, error. Absolute error. To examine absolute error, first we have to find exact value, true value. Now, true value is given by just integration 4x minus 3x square dx. By integrating this, 4 into x square by 2, 3 into x cube by 3, 0 to 1, 4 by 2, 2, 3 3 cancel, 1 cube is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, exact value is 1, true value is 1. By using trapezoidal rule, we got 0.995. Therefore, absolute error is modulus of true value 1 minus approximate value 0.995, that is 0.005. So absolute error is 0.005. Therefore third option is true, fourth option is false. So B and C are found correct. Next column, xn plus 1 equal to xn by 2 plus 9 by 8 xn, x naught equal to 0.5. Which of the following is or true? The series is obtained by bisection method. False. The series is obtained by Newton-Raphson method. True. The series converges to 1.5 or 2 root 2. We have to examine by taking at the root alpha equal to xn equal to xn plus 1. Given that xn plus 1 equal to xn by 2 plus 9 by 8 xn, by applying the logic alpha equal to xn plus 1, here you can write alpha by 2 plus 9 by 8 alpha 8 alpha LCM 4 alpha square plus 9. 8 alpha square equal to 4 alpha square plus 9. Therefore 4 alpha square equal to 9. Alpha square equal to 9 by 4. Alpha equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. Therefore the iteration formula converges to the root 1.5. So 1.5 is correct answer. So third option is true, fourth option is false. So third option is correct, second option is also correct. So both B and C. Next column, integral 0 to 4 1 by 1 plus x square dx with step length h is equal to 1. Integral 0 to 4 0 1 2 3 4. x value y equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 0.5. When x is 2, y is 0.2, 1 by 5. When x is 3, 1 by 10, 0.1. When x is 4, 0.0588. This is y0, y1, y2, y3, y4. Now, in the problem, trapezoidal rule, Simpson's 1/3 rule, Simpson's 3/8 rule. All three rules we have to apply. First, trapezoidal. Integral 0 to 4, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is h by 2 of y0 plus y4 plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3, h value 1 by 2 of y0 1, y4 0.0588 plus 2 into y1 0.5, y2 0.2, y3 0.1. By simplifying this, we get 1.3294. Next, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Integral 0 to 4, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is h by 3 of y0 plus y4 plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus 2 into even y2. Now, h value here 1 by 3 of y0, 1 plus 0.0588 plus 4 into y1 y3, y1 is 0.5, y3 is 0.1 plus 0.5 plus 0.1. Next, 2 into y2, 2 into 0.2. Simplify this. By simplifying this, we get 1.2862. Next, 1.3294 by trapezoidal. 1.3294 by trapezoidal. So this is true. 1.2862 by Simpson's 1/3. So that is also true. Next, we have to examine by Simpson's 3/8 rule. By Simpson's 3/8, integral 0 to 4, 1 by 1 plus x square dx is 3h by 8 of y0 plus y4 plus 3 into y1 y2 plus 2 into y3. Now 3 by 8, h value 1 of 1 plus 0.0588 plus 3 into y1 0.5, y2 0.2, 2 into y3 0.1. By simplifying this, we get 1.222. Here, third option is 1.433, so that is false. So third option is false. First option is true, second option is true. Now trapezoidal and Simpson's 1/3 gives closer to the exact value. Whether it is right or wrong, you can estimate only by calculating exact value. Integral 0 to 4 1 by 1 plus x square dx tan inverse x 0 to 4 tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 0. By simplifying this, you will get 1.325. That is exact value. But here it is neither trapezoidal nor Simpson 1/3 are closer to exact value. So last option is false. Only first option and second option are found correct. Only first two options are found correct. Good evening. Now, next, a root of the equation needs to found by Newton-Raphson method with initial guess x naught equal to 3.5. Then x1 is f of x is x square minus 13. F dash x is 2x. Initial guess x naught is 3.5. Therefore, f of x naught is f of 3.5, that is 3.5 whole square minus 13, that is minus 0.75. F dash x naught is f dash of 3.5 2 into 3.5 is 7. Now x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash x naught. X naught is 3.5. F of 3.5 is minus 0.75 by f dash x naught is 7 by 7. Simplifying this, 3.5 plus 0.75 by 7, that gives you 3.607. So first approximation is 3.607. This is numerical answer type question. 3.607. Next, the rate of convergence of Newton-Raphson method xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash xn is standard. The rate of convergence or order of convergence. Rate of convergence or order of convergence is 2. Quadratic. Next one, a root of the equation x cube plus 3x minus 7 equal to 0 with initial guess x naught equal to 1, we have to estimate x1. Now, f of x is x cube plus 3x minus 7. F dash x is 3x square plus 3. Now x naught is 1. So f of x naught is f of 1. 4 minus 7 minus 3. F dash x naught. So f dash of 1, that is 3 plus 3 is 6. Now x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash x naught. 1 minus minus 3 by 6, 1 plus 3 by 6, 1.5. The value is 1.5. First approximation by Newton-Raphson method. X1 is 1.5. Next problem. Using trapezoidal rule, dividing the interval of integration into 3 equal subintervals. When you are dividing into 3 equal subintervals means 4 points you have to take. 3 equal subintervals means number of subintervals are 3. A value minus 1, B value 1. Therefore, H is equal to B minus A by N. 1 minus of minus 1 by 3. So, 2 by 3. So, interval is 3 subintervals. That's why step size you have to maintain 2 by 3. Now, prepare the table with 4 values. Because 3 subintervals, so 4 points are required. Minus 1, X value, Y value. Y is nothing but mod X. X value minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 1. When X is minus 1, mod X is 1. When X is minus 1 by 3, mod X is 1 by 3. When X is 1 by 3, mod X is 1 by 3. When X is 1, mod X is 1. This is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. By trapezoidal rule, integral minus 1 to 1 mod X dx is H by 2 of Y0 plus Y3 plus 2 into Y1 plus Y2. H value 2 by 3 by 2 of 1 plus 1 plus 2 into Y1 plus Y2, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Simplify this. 10 by 9. So 1.111. Next one. Given that the equation x cube plus 3x minus 7 equal to 0 has a root in the interval 1 comma 2 by single application of false position method gives the following approximation for the root. Now, function of x is x cube plus 3x minus 7. X cube plus 3x minus 7. Interval is 1 comma 2. A value 1, B value 2. Now, we have to apply false position method. When A is 1, functional value at A is functional value at 1. That is 1 plus 3, 4 minus 7 minus 3. Functional value at B is functional value at 2. 2 cube 8. 8 plus 6 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Now, first approximation x1 is A into f of b minus A into f of b x1 is a into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. 1 into 7 minus 2 into minus 3 by 7 minus of minus 3. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 by 10, 1.3. So the answer is 1.3. Understood? So today we have discussed 5 MSQs and 5 numerical answer type questions. Unacademy is introducing new subscription plan for 18 months. In GATE and ESE category. Thank you.